Welcome to Cloudshot. Today, we'll walk you through how to connect your AWS account to Cloudshot using an IDP role. Navigate to connect your cloud account. Here you'll see various cloud providers. Click on Start with AWS to begin configuring your AWS connection. Cloudshot offers 3 ways to connect to AWS. For this tutorial, we'll use IDP Role. So click Use IDP Role to proceed. On the right, you'll find simple step-by-step instructions for obtaining your IDP Role ARN. Let's walk through them together. Now let's switch to the AWS Management Console. Log in with your AWS root account or IAM admin credentials. Navigating IAM in the AWS console. Create a new identity provider. In the left-hand sidebar, click Identity Providers. Then click Add Provider. Now, for provider type, select OpenID Connect. Now, switch back to your Cloudshot tab. Here, you'll see setup instructions. Copy the provider URL provided. This is unique to Cloudshot. Return to the AWS console and paste the provider URL into the corresponding field. Next, go back to Cloudshot and copy the audience value listed under the same instructions. Then, return to the AWS console once more and paste the audience value into the audience field. When you're done, click Add Provider to complete this step. Once the identity provider is added, click Assign Role. Then choose Create a new role and click Next. Under Select Trusted Entity, choose Web Identity. In the Identity Provider dropdown, select the one you just created. In the Audience field, select the one you just created. Click Next to continue. Attach the required permissions for Cloudshot. Choose the policies that best fit your workflow. Click Next to proceed. Now, review the configuration. Give your role a name, like Cloudshot App Role. Optionally, you can add a description or tags. Click Create Role. After the role is created, click View Role. Then copy the role ARN, Amazon resource name. You'll need this to complete the connection in Cloudshot. Now head back to the Cloudshot setup screen. You'll see a field labeled Account Name. Enter any name you'd like for this AWS account. Then, locate the IDP Role ARN field and paste the ARN you copied from AWS. Once both fields are filled in, click Submit. That's it. You've successfully linked your AWS account with Cloudshot. Let's explore your cloud infrastructure. Click AWS Network Discovery to begin. Select your target AWS region from the list. Then click Show Deployment and watch as Cloudshot automatically maps your entire AWS environment. Want real-time monitoring? Click Yes to enable it instantly. To learn more, check out our real-time monitoring video. And that's it. You've successfully connected AWS to Cloudshot, unlocking powerful infrastructure visualization, smart cloud management, cost optimization, and much more. Thanks for watching.